Healthcare, Happy Life, Toucan. It's a back stretcher. While we get in the box, get a nice close-up look. Very simple, easy 1, 2, 3 to assemble and show you. Instruction manual. Go over how to install. I'm going to do that for you right now, but before I do that, you have 96 pressure points and 10 magnets for therapy. You have a base and you have the top piece that goes into this particular area. It locks into place. You have 2 pads. If you like to start off with blue or green, that is up to you. There's no difference in the color. You slide into the hole, bring it to the other side, and you even it out. That is it. The next step is to pick your level. I'm going to start off with the first one. I'm going to knead the wall. I'm going to bend this, lock it into place, and I got level 1 to stretch. I'm going to free it up, and I'm going to bring it into level 2. I'm going to bring it into level 3. I'm going to start back off in level 1. I say this is very portable indeed, so I can leave it either set up or I can just simply hold it in my fingers, press it into place, and I'm going to do some stretching. That's what it's meant for. However you stretch, you're going to basically set it up. I'm going to go to the next level, and I'm going to stretch my small back muscle. There you go. That is the back stretcher exerciser. This is an excellent product to do your stretching on. It all depends on what type of equipment you're looking for. This may be right for you. It's very easy to separate, take apart, clean it, put it away for another day. If you like to go for a walk and just pull something out, this could be very convenient for you. So I hope you enjoy your product. It comes with a spare pad, and you could do your exercises anywhere. Thank you very much for viewing.